Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, you guys. I mean, I've been on vacation and I've been kind of MIA for a little bit, but if you follow me on my Instagram and my other social medias like Snapchat and all that good stuff, then honestly, I really wasn't MIA. I mean, if you follow me there, you'll see that I've been on vacation and I went to Hawaii. If you guys want to see a video on that, then go ahead and let me know by commenting down below. Tell me you want to see a vlog or a video. I will post one up for you guys, so let me know. Anyway, so today's look is playing with a new palette, and today we are looking at this palette right here, the Urban Decay Moondust palette, and this is the look I came up with. Hopefully you guys like it. If you want to know how I got this look and what I did to achieve this look, go ahead and keep on watching because yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. Oh, and before you keep watching, I mean, keep on watching, but go ahead and scroll down, click on the subscribe button. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. I mean, literally, I am feeling it. I can touch it. Go ahead and subscribe if you aren't already a subscriber of mine. And, I mean, if you're back from a previous video, welcome back, obviously. You know my name already, Sarah. If you don't, it's down there, Sarah. My name is Sarah. And go ahead if you like this makeup look, click the like button. Why not? I mean, if you like this makeup look, click that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so enough chit-chatting. Let's start the video. Oh, and let me just show you quickly what the packaging looks like. Oh, alright, so I feel like I've been kind of out of it. You know, I haven't really been recording for a while, so I have to get back in the groove. So, that is the packaging on the outside. Alright. The back shows you a bunch of colors. And by packaging, I mean like this is the, oh crap. This is the cardboard box that it came in. And then this is the actual packaging. Now let's start the video. Alright you guys, we got our cat ears on and my hair is pulled back. Everything is ready to go. No makeup, fresh clean face. So let's start this video. So like I said, the video is about this Urban Decay Moondust. I mean, does that not look beautiful to you guys? Alright, so just a quick look. Well, not quick, but you know, to show you guys what it looks like. So I just showed you like 2 seconds ago that this is the packaging. Outside it is gorgeous. Glitter. Everyone loves glitter. And then, you know what? I also really like how the letters are like embossed into the packaging. And it is plastic, so it's not cardboard. I have nothing against cardboard packaging, just letting you know that it is plastic. And look how, oh, doesn't that looks awesome. I mean, that looks pretty amazing in my opinion. And then if you open it up, it gives you a nice mirror. And it also has 8 colors, 8 shimmer colors. So I'm going to do a look using this color, and as you've seen in the beginning of the video, you'll know what it looks like. This is just step-by-step process of how I got that look if you want to achieve the same look like I did. Alright? Okay, so let's go ahead and first do our brows real quick. Alright, so I went ahead and did my brows and gel them. By gel, I mean like I used the clear brow gel so I can like keep my hairs in place and, you know, let them be all tamed and not move around because I do have pretty long brow hairs if I don't say so myself. And on top of that, I did the, I primed my eyelids. So, prime my eyelids, and now I'm going to go ahead and put on an overall like bone color, base color shadow on my lid. And because the palette only has shimmer colors in it, I feel like I do have to dive into a matte palette. And what perfect palette to dive into then? Of course, I'm going to use Urban Decay because we are, you know, playing around with Urban Decay palette. So I'm using my Urban Decay Ultimate Naked Basics palette. If you guys watch my video, and you'll know I love this palette. It's like literally, it tells you exactly what it is. It is the Ultimate Basic palette. So open it up and we have a plethora of color, as you can tell right there. Alright, so taking a bone color, basically just an overall color. It doesn't have to match your skin tone, but like when you do this, it basically when you put on more colors on top of that, it helps with the, you know, blending, and then helps with the shadow showing up nicely, you know, benefits, all that good stuff. Alright, so take that and place it on my eyes. Well, not on my eyes, but on my lid. You get what I mean. Alright, so just letting you know, this is not a first impressions video. I have dived into the palette, so I have played around with it. I have put on the shadow on my eyelid, so I do know how to work it in. So that way, I mean, first impression videos are super important. I mean, they are first impressions, you know what I mean? But at least this way, since I've already played with it, I know how to work it. You get what I mean? So, I'm going to use, for this look, I believe green. Sticking with the green-blue family. So, I'm going to go in with the color Light Ear. And we're just going to pack that literally all over our eyes. Well, we're going to kind of stop halfway, a little more than halfway. Alright, so before I continue on, I just want to note how much shimmer is coming off of this palette. I mean, sometimes when you buy shadows, like eyeshadow palettes, and you put the shimmer shadow on, it's like all the glitter and shimmer kind of falls off and there's no more shimmer left on your eyes. But this one, it is shimmer in and out, up and down, everywhere. I mean, it's like, oh, shimmer town. Shimmer town, shimmer town, shimmer town. So, yeah, and I didn't even have to wet my brush. I mean, look at that. I am honestly hoping this camera is doing justice because it looks amazing in real life. I mean, no joke. So, if you love shimmer like I do, and if you know me well, and I hope by now, if you guys watch my video enough, you'll know me well enough that I do love glitter and shimmer. I mean, glitter, sparkle, shimmer, it makes the world go around. It just gives you happy feelings. This palette honestly does exactly that. It gives you happy feelings. Whew. At least it gives me happy feelings, so can't speak for everyone else now, can I? So I'm going to go ahead and actually use my fingers to intensify the look a little bit. Of course, as we all know, finger swatches, using your finger as a tool or using a brush, it all varies. So, of course, you can use a brush or just use a finger. You can use a wet brush, spray a little bit of Fix Plus, or even just dab a little bit of water on your brush. I feel like it works just the same. Alright, so the green is on. Looking good, looking beautiful. I am trying to dust away all the glitter as we work as much as I can, because there are some fallouts. I mean, honestly, fallouts does not bother me at all, but I know for some of you guys, it might bother you, so I did want to mention that. So, as long as the color and the pigment and the shadow works well, and it's blendable, all that good stuff, fallouts, schmallouts, whatever out, I really don't care. Alright, so next I'm picking up the color Galaxy, and I'm placing that kind of overlapping the green I just placed on, but at the same time, I'm also spreading it out towards the outer corner. Alright, you guys, I just have to say this, but this Galaxy color is the perfect shimmer Kelly green color for the Eagles, which, by the way, are now the Super Bowl champion. Thank you. My wish, my dream, my life goal is now completed. It has came true. The Eagles have finally become Super Bowl champions, and I am ecstatic. You have no idea. I was in Hawaii when this happened, and I was like jumping off the roof. I mean, it was such an amazing feeling. So, yeah, this Kelly green color, this Galaxy color, shimmer color, I mean, oh, perfect Eagles makeup look. Which I should probably do like an Eagles championship, Super Bowl championship makeup look. I mean, oh, alright guys, getting off track. I got my Galaxy on the outer corners of my eyes, and then to really finish off that outer corner look, you know what? Before I do that, backtrack, I want to add one more shimmer color on my eyes. I feel like it's not really completed yet. Ooh, so what should I add? I'll go in with the color Granite, which is that right there. And yes, I know it is upside down, but you can still see the color. I'm just gonna place that pretty much on the sockets of my eye. Ooh, yeah, that looks nice. I like that. That looks pretty. Now I have to go back into the matte palette, and I'm gonna pick up the color Black Jack, which is just a really dark, dark, dark brown. You can also use the color black if you like, or any color you want. I really don't care. And we are going to create in the outer corner to darken up and really smoke out the look. When I do this, I like to kind of use a small brush and somewhat create a little triangle-ish cat eye look, if that makes sense. I'm literally like drawing the shape of the shadow that I want it to be. I know everyone does it differently, so try to figure out what works best for you. This is just what works best for me, and this is the look I like to put on my face. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup and come right back. But before I do that, I want to show you guys that this shadow does have a lot of fallout, like I mentioned earlier. Just keep that in mind if you do care about that stuff. So now you know. Alright, let me do my makeup, foundation, eyeliner, lashes, all that good stuff, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, that's pretty much it for the makeup look. I put on my foundation, my highlighter, put on a beautiful, bright, bold lip color. I love it. Everything I use will be listed down below in the description box, so they're there for you, for your convenience. Go ahead and read all that good stuff. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!